Dibia DREAM is committed to creating and facilitating engaging hands-on experiences for little hands and growing minds. STEM Saturdays create a fine balance between education and recreation, which exposes students to STEM, generating enthusiasm and interest for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Heart and Circulation Day was pumping, buzzing, and beeping with cardiologists, healthcare professionals, and DREAM Avengers on one task: to create a fun day of concentrated study on the heart and circulatory system. Heart Day fun included dissecting real hearts, building functional models, and an interactive presentation demonstrating the function of the heart and the circulatory system. STEM Saturday is fueled by the generosity of donors and sweat equity of volunteers, our DREAM Avengers, to create this unique, one-of-a-kind educational experience. Come dream with us. Come build with us. With STEM, the possibilities are endless.